Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform ear tip fit test for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Right here you need to scroll down and go to additional settings. At the second line we have ear tip fit test, so firstly remove your earbuds from the charging case and put it to your ears. Then click on it and it will play some song for you, so click continue and start. And right here we have a feedback, so you can click done or start over, it's up to you. And if you have something else that's good or excellent, I recommend it to change ear tips. Try another one. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!